We gotta fix one thing before we even get to drive this thing on out of here. If we wanted to drive it out of here today, it's the one thing I gotta fix, and that has to do with the bash bar. And if you were here for the last episode, you probably have an idea what it is. Let me show you. One thing I am talking about is the seat belts. I'm not running a race harness. Stock seat belts are way safer for daily driving rather than a harness. Harness is made for racing. I don't think I'm gonna be racing this thing. This used to be in here, and the seat belt, this bolt will mount up to this right here. We're gonna grab this, take it from here, and put it right over here. So that way we can still use the stock seat belts, be safe for my passenger and me. Let's just get right to it right away. We got our pieces cut up and ready to go to their new home. We got to figure out where it's going to be mounted at exactly, because we need to make sure it's not too low or too high. We want it just right, which I'm thinking it's right around there. All right, we got both pieces cut up and ready to weld up. Everything's ready, but our welder is currently busy. Let's see what he's doing. So that's what they're doing over there. So while we're waiting for our welder guy, we're just gonna wait around. All right, so now it's time to weld these guys onto the bar. Luis is gonna do that for me because he's a better welder than me. I would just say I haven't been practicing as much, but he's gonna get down with it. So. Salieron bien. Lo hiciste, Luis. Le salió bien. Le salió bien, pero se le salió. Se salió. Luis got down with this for sure. We're just gonna let it cool down and then clean it up and hit it with some paint. Hotter than the paint. All right, and this is where we have came to a stop with the roll cage. We are officially done with it. Everything and this thing should be set in stone, and that's about it. Here you got the parts Luis welded up. Let me get a focus on here. They look really, really good. They came out amazing. They're matching the cage. They just look great overall. So I'm really happy about that. Alright guys, that is it. We are done with the roll cage. It is over. No need to work on it anymore. Thank you to everybody that's helped me out. All the way from Luis, Rick. They've been a great help putting this thing. It's been a pain in the ass, but we finally got it done. I'm happy how it's come out. So other than that, guys, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.